Wireless repeater. Unbox. Setup. Wi-Fi repeater. 6 antennas. Wi-Fi repeater. 6 antennas. IP address. SSID. Power on. Smartphone. Settings. Search for wireless repeater. Repeater. Connect. Connected. You are redirected to the device setup page. Use the IP address if not redirected to the device setup page. Automatic. Extender Wi-Fi settings. Use repeater mode. Repeater mode settings. Next. Scanning access point. This is my main router. I am extending coverage using a Wi-Fi repeater. This is the wireless network name on the main router. Connect. Password. Enter the wireless network password of the main router. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wi-Fi repeater wireless network name and password. The repeater and router use the same password. Finish. It takes about 30 seconds to apply the setup. After the setup is complete, this LED lights up. Connect to Wi-Fi repeater. Connect. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The repeater and router use the same password. Connect. The above is how to set up a Wi-Fi repeater with 6 antennas. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.